Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will tell you how the crude price has moved in the last week and how the crude price can move in the next week. See, if you look at this chart, what you can see here that the crude price has continuously moved upside and made a high. Okay, made a high of around 5 years, and from there, okay, it was the high it has made in the last 5 years. Okay, and it has touched this level, and from there after touching this level, which is of big resistance, it came down sharply. Okay, and made a low of around 70.71. Okay, and those who have a good investment opportunity for or a traders have already booked profit at this level, at a higher level. That is where it has come to this level, because people are holding at this level just in order for waiting of reaching it to this level of a higher crude. And once this crude has reached a higher point, people started booking their profits. Okay, and that is where it has come down to a level of 70 point, because people have so much of position in the crude, and that is why the profit booking has come and it has come down to this level. And those who have and now they are trying again investing in this crude, because we have seen, and this level is tested twice. So suppose if this comes again at this level, so you have to be careful that you should not be buying at this particular level. Suppose if it comes down to around 71.9 or 5 around, then you should be very careful. You should not be buying at these particular level, because this level, if it comes again, it can go further downside. Okay, suppose if it now it is trading at 74.5, and chances are high that if it goes above this level, then it can touch a level of 74.79, and this level is already tested twice. So chances are very high that it can go and touch a level of 75.16, and once 75.16 is touched, then we can see a level of 75.40, and if it stays above this level, then we can see a level of 75.72. Okay, and once 75.72 is touched, then we can see a level of 76.19, and from there we can see it can touch a level of 76.47, and from there we can see a level of 76.89. Okay, and once 76.89 is touched, then we can see that it can touch a level of 77 also, and this 77 has already been tested here once, because I will show you a 5-year chart also, where I will show you that it has already touched twice, once at that 5 years chart and now at this level. So if it comes to this level, then we can see it can go further high to a level of 78. Okay, or it can go to a level of 78.5. so if it comes close to around 76.5, then we can see that it can touch a level of 77.5 to a level of 78, and then from there 78.5. so this is what you have to understand here, that if it goes upside level, suppose if it goes downside, suppose it goes below a level of 73.93, then we can see that it can touch a level of 73.43, and once this level is touched, then we can see that this level is also tested here. So chances are high that it can go further low to a level of 72.37, and once 72.37 is touched, then we can see a level of 72, and once 72 is touched, then we can see a level of 71.73, and if it goes below that level, then we can see a level of 71.51, and once 71.51 is touched, because this level is already tested twice, so chances are high that it can go to a level of 70.80. okay, once 70.80 is touched, then we can see a level of 70 also. Okay, because this level is also we know that this level is already tested here twice, so chances are very high till the time it didn't break a level of 73.29. okay, and if it 73.29, and if it touch this level, and if it comes down, then we can see a level of 72.37, and if it goes more below that level, then it can touch a level of 72, and if it goes further low, then we can see a level of 70. okay, then we can see a level of 71.3. okay, suppose if it goes below that level, then we can see a level of 70 also. okay, 70.8, but if it comes close to 70.71 or 0.70.8, then we can see that it can touch a level of 70.16 also, and from there we can see a level of 69.74. suppose if it comes to this level, then we can see further low to a level of 69.24, and from there we can see a level of 68.60. okay, till the time it is 70.87 is sustaining, we are on the upper side, or till the time 72.37 is sustaining, I'm looking for the bullish side, because at high level the profit booking is always done. So now if you have any doubt regarding crude position, please mail me at stockmarkettrading@gmail.com. okay, or a mail ID I've given in the description, stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com. okay, or mail ID I've given in the description. Please watch the full video, and if you wish to join my Telegram channel, link I've given in the description, and if you wish to join one-on-one meeting also, I have given a link in the description, you can join that. okay, but that is related, I'm charging some fee for it. okay, so this is what I want to tell you, and please look at the 5-year chart, where you will understand that what I wanted to tell you. Now this price, we can see this candle has made, is made. okay, so chances are high that there is probability there is a reversal. okay, because if you look at this candle, we have seen an upside and a candle is made, a red candle, and there is a reversal. okay, if you look at other charts also, you will see that there is a reversal when there is an other candle form, suppose a green candle is there and the red candle forms are bigger than this, then there is chances there is a reversal. So there is chances there can be a reversal at this particular level, and it has come down to a level of 71 also. okay, so I have told you. So what I would suggest that, and I wanted to tell you that was a profit booking. I've already told you in my previous video that, see, look at this level, this is the high, okay, of around 76.61, and this is also high, it made around 76.95, and this is where profit booking has come, and from there it has fallen sharply. okay, so hope you like the video. If you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe it.